To show music information in AOD while theater mode routine is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe on the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap theater mode routine, scroll down the screen, tap always on display, and then tap the gray on offset next to show music information to turn on this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, tap down button to save the change. By doing this, now when the theater mode routine is active and you are playing music, your phone will show music information on your always on display screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.